Whoa, what's going on, guys? So we're out here in the beautiful state of Colorado, working on a Saab Turbo 9000, doing a head gasket on it. This car is pretty freaking badass. It was on 24 pounds. Yeah, one day I was just driving it, got hot, and decided to go. So this is it. It has 162,000 miles on it now. Freaking clean. All leather. All blow-off valve, forged freaking wastegate, stuff like that. And, always gotta have a fishing pole. Yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe, please, if you like this. I'm gonna this is my first time doing it. Take you through the steps of doing a head gasket. Milky, that's no good. What the fuck, guys? So, what do you do? There's that. Got all the things off the head. That line right there goes to the heater core. Manifold is off, about to come off. Downpipe. See, there's a little milky jokey in there. So, yeah. Think I'm gonna put a big turbo on it whenever I go back together. So, sayonara. Thank you for this turbo. It was $23. I'm taking a video right now. I put these videos on Facebook, or not Facebook, on YouTube. So these marks right here, there's this on the camshaft and this mark in here means you've achieved top dead center. Also in the same thing right here, there's a mark. You read them out, you've achieved top dead center. And that's also with cylinder number uno. So now you are good to pull the head off. Make sure these are also lined up. And you also have to make sure these are really tiny. We have pulled all this off, like I said, the alternator. As you can see, we got the head off. On your crank, down there that you can see, right there, are lined up. Make sure your cams are lined up to these marks right here that you can see. Letting this all clean out, checking my straight edge to see if I need to get the machine. Again,